Come on, what's this about?
Hurry up! A new Chaos Carnival has appeared overnight.
If they have funnel cakes and a pizza stand, I'm in.
This wiring looks like Eggman's handiwork.
Don't eat the cotton candy. It's probably bugged.
Welcome to my Chaos Carnival. The more fun you have, the more energy I steal. Knew it. Kinda.
Wait, he's stealing calories?
I knew the skeletons were real. If I can overload the control panel, we can stop this thing.
Fashion meets destruction. You're watching me, aren't you?
You fools ruined my Carnival Deluxe.
Guess the ride's over, Egghead.
But at least the pizza survived. Finally, peace and quiet. No more creepy rides.
Strange, there is residual energy here.
Energy?
I only taste sugar.
Who need a carnival when I have my Candy Cloud control bots? Every bite of sugar lets me control their thoughts.
Technically, it just makes them hyper.
Whee! Free rides forever! Their behavior matches the candy's energy signal.
Sugar is not fashion.
Just point it at the problem. I'll distract Eggman.
Use fireworks to overload Eggman's control tower.
Bow before my sticky empire.
Just a few more seconds.
Sweet victory!
The clouds are watching! The clouds are watching!
This was supposed to be my sweetest victory. Guess you bit off more than you could chew. Pizza trophy?